Yeah, we just called the Coast Guard just because we're worried. We don't know where Cory and Alex is.
Not. I'm kind of bummed out.
Whoa.
Watch out.
Alright, so we have a storm right
Woo! Get it out here. Police.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
Alright, what's the sitch?
Okay. I was just checking out and reading up on these ETA relays. Our relay for our shower pump went out.
I found that out by trying to shave my legs this morning and the shower inside, and I haven't used that in like, I don't know, 3 months.
A little bit. I believe it's a rust problem.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna open up the relay, but not now.
No, because we are going into town to see if we can find batteries for my Wi-Fi box. Well, we went and got batteries for my Wi-Fi box, and it's working! Yoo-hoo! I'm so happy. We're on our dinghy ride back to the boat. Anyway, got some groceries to get ready for pizza and beer. Okay. Stay tuned. I've had them since April 3rd, growing green onions, and now it's April 28th. Anyway, it's not the news of the day. Well, at home, it's my grandfather's funeral. So that's a little tough to think about that I'm not there, but we live on a boat and we gotta move sometimes when the weather allows. So we are gonna go, and also on the flip side of this and good side of this is that Wildly Intrepid, our friends Cory and Alex, have reached Bimini and they're currently crossing the Gulf Stream heading up north to New Smyrna, which is also where we are headed. So 24 hours?
Should be. It's 160 miles roughly.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. Doesn't make it
We got lucky. The past storm made us believe in timing, as we were supposed to be underway during it all. My grandfather's passing, on the other hand, couldn't have come at a worse time. It was no way I could be there, and with the funeral set, my last little hope was to at least be connected so I could have a phone call with my family. But as sailors, the weather trumps all, very often.
I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
We're going out of the inlet, out of West Palm Beach.
Ah, it's gonna be beautiful. She's gonna be gorgeous. I just hate motoring.
Alright. Just got a message from my mom. So I'm gonna read that.
Alright, we're having a beautiful sail so far. We're just sneaking out into the Gulf Stream, holding above 7 knots. I think we got a constant 15 knots of wind with gust in the... I've only seen 21 so far, so not too bad. How do you feel?
I feel a little weird today, as you guys know, but I don't know, the water has a way of making things a little less complicated. So we're out here and I think it's going to be a beautiful sail. We might be pretty fast, so that's good.
Hey, Chief, wet your whistle?
This is why I love this guy. He has a way of making me laugh, even when I don't really feel like I should or want to.
We're gonna rot your teeth out, wet your whistle.
I'm all set. Cheers for Grandpa. Turtle! Oh my goodness!
Alright, so we are currently 117 miles until the checkpoint in New Smyrna. And
Still on inlet.
we have tacos! Look at the sun. Let's go. Yeah. Thanks, darling. You're the best ever.
That's inside out.
What? Right, so we had a few harder hours, I guess, of a little bit of rocking when we took the swell on the beam, but we woke up and what'd you get?
Cheerios. And a change of direction, so we're going with the swell. It's
Oh yeah,
so much more
super
comfortable.
steady.
We're headed straight into Ponce Inlet. And yeah, should be there in about, I don't know, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours. Depends. It's supposed to pick up a little bit, but we'll see. There is a fish on the line.
I'm not sure. Hey, you want to get those things out of that bucket real quick?
Yeah. Oh.
There's a nice little meal. King mackerel. This will be good on the grill tonight.
Land ahoy! that is definitely surfing. Constantly on inlet. We didn't make it exactly when we wanted. We were a little late. Yeah, we decided to go in. We had the wind in our favor to go in with the sails to be able to gain a little bit more speed if the current was too strong. We could have definitely waited outside for like 5 hours, but more. Yeah, we made it. Well, been a while since you've been in the ICW, hasn't it?
I know, this does remind me of that.
It is the ICW.
Bunch of crazy people driving boats for the first time, and current with wind, trying to wade out a bridge in a narrow channel.
Going down to New Smyrna, trying to find Cody's favorite anchorage.
I don't know if I call it that.
That's what I would call it based on your descriptions.
Just kind
You
of
love it
lives
here
close.
because his best friend lives only an hour or two away. The bridge wait. And what about our new cover for the chart plotter?
Yeah. Unfortunately, the microburst makes us. It's gonna make us buy a new cover.
Yeah.
Also a flag
It's gonna
too.
make,
We didn't even realize
yeah,
the flag was gone.
flag also, actually, we watched the footage and we all of a sudden saw that slipped away pretty quickly. So yeah, I'm gonna, if I had a sewing machine, this would be a simple thing to fix, but all my sewing gear are in Norway. Oh well.
It's something to be said about trusting the timing of your life. Why should you? The difference between believing in a destiny and that everything happens for a reason versus believing in your influence on your life's path becomes crucial. Should you really trust the wait? Embrace the uncertainty and just enjoy the beauty of becoming?
His name is Cory, C-O-R-Y. I think they took the ICW a lot of the way down. They're from Canada. And they had sailed from New Providence, Bahamas. And the last we got a contact was in Bimini at 11 a.m. on the 28th. In Intrepid.
Yeah, we just called the Coast Guard just because we were worried. We don't know where Cory and Alex is. They might be perfectly safe and fine in some harbor, maybe even here. But with no other form of communication and radio, it's kind of hard to find them. So hopefully they're good. I'm pretty sure they are. But just taking off
Better be
precautions.
safer than, better be safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Especially in these times. You
There
can go a
is-
long ways in a few hours out there, especially when it gets rough.
Yeah, and there are some storm fronts here, so just want to make sure.
Offshore Castle. All vessels headed offshore are requested to keep a sharp lookout if possible before offsiding.
And they're here. Oh my god! So they made it and got their anchor down. We're about to maybe go over there and help them reposition.
It's like we meet at last.
I know!
Oh. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, we're coming back.
What? What?
Go get them here.
Oh. Hold on. happy. We've been so worried today. Oh my
Well, we made
goodness.
it last night. We just couldn't make it all the way in. Okay.
Oh, that's good. That's
what
what
that
we
was.
thought. Yep.
I've been trying
All
to be on the radio since 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, really?
I
Yeah.
actually ended up calling you guys into the Coast Guard.
Oh, that's why they're calling. They're calling right now.
Yep.
Yeah, I called them back, dude. Everything's good.
Yeah, we've said that you got.
I was so worried because I was like, they have to be in. I was like, I don't know if they're gonna sail in the inlet at night.
We did last night.
Or call me whenever you got.
Welcome to the United States.
Later, love. Bye.
We are gonna go put out a stone anchor to try to stay out of this channel that's right here.
I wish we had like a 20-pound stern anchor.
Yeah, instead of a 60. Let out a little bit more chain at the bow and then put a real snubber on so we can sit here and yeah, maybe go visit some friends for a few days while we got friends here who can actually take or keep a lookout for our boat.
Honest feelings and bad timing make the most painful combination. But the one thing I find comforting about timing of life's events is believing that no burden, challenge is too big for you. If you get into a situation, the challenge presented is only given to you if you are meant to be able to sort it out. It means you're strong enough to handle whatever comes your way. It might not be the same as the next person, but your life has prepared you for whatever is coming. It's just a matter of finding the strength and focusing on the right experiences to guide you through. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Click the subscribe button, maybe add a comment below. That always makes us happy, and we'll see you next time.
Before you make it safely to the end.